Hello everyone, here are 10 lines on my hobby. My favorite hobby is gardening. Gardening is a relaxing activity. My garden is a spot for me to relax and recharge. I have decorated my balcony with plants grown in pots, hanging baskets and planters. My garden has a beautiful bed of flowers and vegetables. I have also grown medicinal plants like tulsi, neem and aloe vera. Seeing the blooming flowers and fresh vegetables makes me very happy. This hobby is not costly. Gardening involves active participation in the growing of plants. I enjoy watering and taking care of all the plants. Thank you.